So Alex begins with 10,000 USD, right?
Yes.
And he makes three successive exchange. These are the exchange. So first he converted it to Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
So what will happen? So one BTC is equals to 93,000 USD, correct?
Yeah.
That means one USD is equals to 1 by 93,000 BTC. So he invested 10,000 USD, right? So
Yeah.
multiply. So 10,000 USD is equals to 1 by 93,000 times 10,000 BTC. Tell me what you will get if you solve it. 10,000 divided by 93,000. 0.107526
Yeah.
BTC, 268817 BTC, right?
Mine goes longer than that.
That's fine. Each time paying a commission, he paid it, right?
Yeah.
So he has to remove this one, right? 1.5% of BTC will be removed from this, right?
Yes.
So 1.5% means what? He will receive only 98.5.
So is it times 1.5 over 100?
So 98.5% of it, 98.5% of this one is he will get 0.1059139785. Okay, this
Yeah.
value. Then what he did, he converted it to, I think this is Ethereum. So he converted into Ethereum and the ratio is 1:19.2. So if I convert it to Ethereum, I have to multiply it with 19.2, right?
Yeah. One is
Multiplied
to
with
92.
19.2, you will get 2.03354838.
What did you multiply it by?
19.2.
0.2. Okay. All right. Yeah.
Okay. ETH is equals to 19.2 times BTC. Okay, and on this he has to pay a commission of what, 1%? So
Yeah.
99% of this will be, multiply this with 99%. So you will get 2.013212903. Okay. And
Yeah.
then Ethereum is converted to Sol. So one Sol is equals to 0. So one Sol is equals to 0.065 ETH. 0.065 ETH, right?
Yes.
So 1 ETH is equals to 1 by 0.065 Sol, which is equals to
15.3 recurring
1 divided by
84615 recurring.
0.065. You'll get 15.384615.
1.5. Yeah.
And then this will repeat again, right? 384615. Okay. So The 2 point this many ETH will be how many SOL? So 2.01321290033 ETH will be equal to you multiply it with 2.01321290033. What you will get? You will get 30.9725046, right?
I got 30.97249282.
Yeah, I'm getting 25. Anyways, we'll have to write answer up to 3 significant digits anyways, right?
Yes.
That is fine. So this is what you will get. Then what is the commission paid? 2% of SOL received. So what is 2% of it? It means he
98.
will get 98% of it. So that would be multiplied with 98%. It's 30.353. So up to 3 significant digits, your answer will be 30.4 SOL.
Yeah.
That is the answer.
Yeah.